Flapping noise from front left wheel. Unraveling the mystery noise. Common reasons for flapping noise from front left wheel. Worn or damaged wheel bearing. Loose or worn suspension components. Tire issues. Brake problems. Fender or splash guard contact. Expert tips to help you diagnose the source of the noise. Before attempting any diagnosis, ensure your vehicle is in parking mode in a safe and level area. Look for any signs of visible damage, such as bent rims, loose fender liners, or loose splash guards. With the vehicle still off, shake the front left wheel by placing your hands at the 3 and 9 o'clock positions. Carefully examine the tire's tread for irregular wear patterns, bulges, or cuts on the sidewall. Ensure all lug nuts on the front left wheels are in a tight position to the manufacturer's recommended torque. Inspect for any signs of damage, wear, or loose parts of the caliper, brake pads, and rotor.